Hello students, our chapter is going on number system and today we are going to learn laws of exponents. What is exponent? Exponent means what? Exponent means power or index. For example, a raised to the power n. Here a is base and this m is called exponent or power or index of a. Okay. So now we are learning laws of exponent. First law. What is first law? A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. Observe it here. Base is same. अगर बेस सेम हो तो यू कैन टेक द एडिशन ऑफ पावर m प्लस n. a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power n plus n. Second, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. Here base is same but division is there. What is it? Division. So you can take the subtraction of power. So a raised to the power m minus n, but when m is greater than n. Okay, then third is a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. किसी भी नंबर का पावर अगर 0 हो तो आंसर वो होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 raised to the power 0 is 1. 99 raised to the power 0 is 1. 100 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1000 raised to the power 0 is 1. That means if the number has power 0, the answer is always 1. Next is fourth is a multiplied by b bracket raised to the power m. यानी ब्रैकेट का पावर अगर m हो तो ये पावर दोनों के लिए है. मीन्स a raised to the power m a का भी पावर है और m b का भी पावर है. a multiplied by b bracket raised to the power n means a raised to the power n multiplied by b raised to the power n. Then next fifth, a divided by b bracket raised to the power m. जैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बारे में है as same as a अपॉन b, डिवीजन में भी वैसा ही होता है. a अपॉन b ब्रैकेट रेस्ट टू द पावर m मीन्स ये जो m है, ये जो पावर है, ये दोनों के लिए है. a का भी पावर m और b का भी पावर m. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट सिक्स्थ a raised to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power n. ये पावर जो है नेगेटिव है, इसे अगर पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन ए रेस्ट. 1 अपॉन कर दो, पावर अपने आप पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा. देन नेक्स्ट 7 a रेस्ट टू द पावर n रेस्ट टू द पावर n. पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. a raised to the power m bracket raised to the power n, that means a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Now we are applying this one by one, all the laws. a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. For example, 5 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2. Base is same, multiplication is there. So take the addition of power. That means 5 raised to the power 9. Second is a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power n. Then a raised to the power n minus n. Same, a raised to the 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 square is equal to, base is same and division is there. So take the subtraction of the power, that is 5 raised to the power 5. Understood? Then next, किसी भी नंबर का पावर अगर 0 हो तो आंसर इज 1. फोर्थ, a raised to the power n a multiplied by b raised to the power n, that means a raised to the power n multiplied by b raised to the power n. So 5 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 4, that is 5 raised to the power 4. multiplied by 7 raised to the power 4. Next, fifth, just the opposite of this, a upon b raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. So 5 divided by 7 raised to the power 4, that means 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 7 raised to the power 4. Okay, next is sixth. A raised to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon, you have to make the denominator, index exponent positive like this. 5 raised to the power minus 7, that means 1 upon 5 raised to the power 7. Isn't it? Next, 5 raised to the power 7 raised to the power 9, that is 5 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 9. पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. Okay, now we are solving some examples. Suppose few radical sign. This is also called radical sign. This root sign is also called radical sign. Radical sign में इस तरह से numbers are given. Root a. How will you convert this root a? You can write this number like this. Isn't it? Root means square root. Cube root of a. You can write this a raised to the power 1 upon 3. Fourth root of b, you can write b raised to the power 1 upon 4 like this. Understood? Now we are solving some examples. Find the value. Find the value. Number 1. 16 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Now what is exactly 16? 16 is the square of 4 and fourth power of 2. So we can write this 2 raised to the power 4, 2 2 are 4 2 are 8 2 are 16 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Power का power तो power का multiplication type. So 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. 4 cancel. Answer is 2. अब इसके लिए you have to learn tables up to 20. You have to know tables up to 20. You have to know squares up to 20. You have to know cube roots, cubes of the numbers up to 20. Then you will be able to solve this type of questions. Okay, next one more. 32 raised to the power 1 upon 4. So what will be the answer? 32, it is the fifth power of 2. Okay, like this. So 2 raised to the power 5 like this. So 5 powers for, take the multiplication, 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 1 upon 5 is cancelled. Answer is 2. Okay, like this you can solve the answer. Now simplify. How to simplify the question? Simplify. Question is, simplify 81 divided by 16 raised to the power minus 3 upon 4, or we are taking another one. Simplify fourth root of 3 multiplied by fourth root of 27. Okay, we are solving this. Is equal to, you can write this 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 multiplied by 27 raised to the power 1 upon 4 like this. Okay, so 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 multiplied by 27 is the cube of 3. So we can write 27 like this, 1 upon 4. Powers पावर हो तो multiplication होता है. So 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Okay. Now base is same and multiplication is there. So take the addition of power is equal to 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4. plus 3 upon 4, that is 3 raised to the power 4 upon 4. That means 3 raised to the power 1 is 3. Understood? One more example we are taking. 4th root of 81 x raised to the power 8 y raised to the power 4 z raised to the power 8. Simplify it. You can write this 81 x raised to the power 8 multiplied by y raised to the power 4 multiplied by z raised to the power 8 raised to the power 1 upon 4 is equal to, you can write this 81 in the form of 3 raised to the power 4. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81 multiplied by x raised to the power 8 multiplied by y raised to the power 4 multiplied by z raised to the power 8 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Now this 1 upon 4 is common for all. So open the bracket. 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. Multiplied by x raised to the power 8 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by y raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4 and multiplied by z raised to the power 8 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now 4 4 cancel. 4 2s are 8. 4 4 cancel. 4 2s are 8. What is the answer? Answer is 3 multiplied by x square. 2 is left. Multiplied by y. Nothing is there means 1 is there. Multiplied by z means z square. So it is like this. 3 x square y z square. Understood? Like this you can solve the rest examples. Okay? Thank you. Next example we are taking in 4th root cube root of x square. Okay? You can write this example like this x square. In cube root of x square means you can write like this, and 4th root of this term we can write like this, isn't it? X cube root of x square and 4th root of this term. So we will arrange like this. First one by one we are opening. So x square multiplied by 1 upon 3 bracket raised to the power 1 upon 4, that is x raised to the power 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4, or first we have to convert, then we will write 1 upon 4 is equal to x raised to the power 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4, 2 is equal to x raised to the power 1 upon 6. 3 2s are 6. Like this you can solve. One more. This one is second. 36 raised to the power 7 upon 2 minus 36 raised to the power 9 upon 2 divided by 36 raised to the power 5 upon 2. So 36 is the square of 6. So you can write 36 6 square raised to the power 3 upon 2 minus 6 square raised to the power 9 upon 2 divided by 36 again 6 square raised to the power 5 upon 2. Okay? So power का power तो power का multiplication. So 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel. 6 raised to the power 7 minus 6 raised to the power 9 divided by 6 raised to the power 5. Like this. Now what to do? 6 raised to the power 7 divided by 6 raised to the power 5 minus 6 raised to the power 9 divided by 6 raised to the power 5. If base is same, we have to take any If base is same and division is there, then you can take the subtraction of the power. Is equal to 6 square minus 6 रेस्ट टू दी पावर 4. अब इसे आप नंबर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. 6 स्क्वायर मीन्स 36 माइनस 6 रेस्ट टू दी पावर 4. फाइंड आउट वैल्यू एंड राइट द आंसर हियर. ओके, व्हाट इज like this you can solve the next examples. Okay, what is the next answer? Or you can take common here also. One more way is here. Suppose 6 raised to the power 7, 6 raised to the, here 6 raised to the power 5, you have to take common. So here is 6 square, 5 plus 2 is 7, minus here is 6 raised to the power 4. Again answer will be same. Let it be like this. You can solve 6 raised to the power 5, 6 raised to the power 2 minus 6 raised to the power 4 divided by 6 raised to the power 5. It is cancelled. So 6 raised to the power square, 6 square minus 6 raised to the power 4. Simplify it and find out the answer. Like this you can solve. Okay, thank you.